Ford has been making headlines in the automotive industry lately with news surrounding the future of its Edge crossover. At first, it was said that the next generation Edge had been canceled because of talks between workers and management at the Ford Oakville Assembly Plant. On the other hand, a recent report says that the Edge will still be made until early 2024. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. This video will discuss the new 202 Ford Edge and what's new for 2024. Stay tuned and we will find out today. The 2024 Edge will have a sculpted look like Ford's midsize Mondeo sedan, which replaced the Fusion in China last year. The Chinese version of the Edge is larger than the US version, measuring 196.9 inches long. The sleek and modern exterior design offers an attractive crossover option for consumers. When it comes to the inside, the dashboard is a standout feature. It has a 12.3 inches digital instrument cluster and a 27 inches touchscreen like the Evo's and Explorer facelift, also sold in China. In addition, the Edge's amenities include ambient lighting, a head-up display, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, a panoramic sunroof. The captain's chairs in the second row can be leaned back, and there are up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems. In terms of performance, the 2024 Edge L offers a smooth ride with impressive acceleration and handling. Also, the gasoline engine is turbocharged, which gives it a lot of power, making it an excellent choice for people who care a lot about performance. Meanwhile, the hybrid variant offers an eco-friendlier option without compromising strength. The Edge L will have a gasoline engine with 249 horsepower and 279 pound-feet of torque. It will be a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, while the hybrid variant will have a total output of 271 horsepower and nearly 300 pound-feet of torque. Both will utilize an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The hybrid model will cover up to 738 miles with a full gas tank and a fully charged battery. Ford is likely to offer different trim levels to meet the needs and budgets of a wide range of customers. The Edge's safety features are worth noting, with as many as 20 advanced driver assistance systems available, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features make the 2024 Edge a safe and reliable choice for families and solo drivers. The release date for the 2024 Edge is unknown, but we expect it to hit showrooms in late 2023 or early 2024. The 2024 Edge looks like an excellent choice for crossover buyers because of how well it looks and how much power it has. Stay tuned for more information from Ford on this exciting new model. While we don't have pricing information yet, we expect the 2024 Edge to be competitively priced within the midsize crossover market. Ford has a history of offering great value for their vehicles, and we anticipate the 2024 Edge to be no exception. Overall, the 2024 Ford Edge is an exciting addition to the crossover market. The sleek design, high-tech features, and powerful performance of the Edge make it a great choice for a reliable and flexible car. Watch for more updates and official announcements from Ford on this impressive new model. So, what do you think? All the information on this video is unofficial, but the official specs, features, and Ford Edge will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.